Are you looking for the best porch swings? In this video, we will look at some of the 7 best porch swings on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1. Tangkula 2-person wicker hanging porch swing. Swing freely with higher stability and safety with Tankula's 2-person wicker porch swing. Reinforced steel chains can withstand up to 800 pounds, while the heavy-duty and anti-rust steel frame is wrapped with premium PE rattan, making it suitable for outdoor use. The swing chair features spacious dual seating, equipped with 1 seat cushion and 2 back cushions for added comfort. With multiple hanging places, this swing chair is ideal for use in balconies, backyards, and gardens. Assembly is effortless with easy-to-follow instructions and all necessary accessories included in the package. Number 2. Best Choice Products 48-inch wood porch swing. Experience the outdoors in comfort with Best Choice's 48 inches porch swing. Made of weather-resistant acacia wood and zinc oxide-coated steel chains, this swing is built to last. With a 500 pounds weight capacity, comfortably seat up to 3 people on the 45-inch seat. The weighted seat, 4 anchor points, and 2 steel mounting chains keep the swing secure even on windy days. Hang it anywhere with the included anchor bolts and mounting hardware fasteners. This classic swing design features armrests and an extra thick seat to maintain balance while adding a nostalgic touch to your outdoor seating. Number 3. HOMREST 3-seat outdoor porch swing. The HOMREST 3-seat outdoor porch swing is a sturdy and durable patio swing chair that can support up to 660 pounds. It features an adjustable canopy to protect against UV rays and drizzle, and a 2-in-1 design with a fully adjustable backrest for hours of reclining and relaxation. The swing also comes with comfortable cushions and foldable side tables for added convenience. Number 4. Coverko 3-seat patio swing chair. Relax in style with this comfortable and durable 3-seat patio swing chair by Coverko. With a weight capacity of up to 200 kilograms, it can comfortably fit 3 average-sized adults. The adjustable canopy provides optimal shade and is made of weather-resistant polyester. The swing chair has a strong and sturdy steel frame, and plastic foot covers prevent slipping. Assembly is made easy with all hardware and detailed instructions included. This swing chair is perfect for use in your porch, backyard, courtyard, garden, patio, balcony, poolside, or solarium, making it a convenient spot to relax and enjoy outdoor leisure time. Number 5. VINGLI 800 pounds wicker porch swing. Experience ultimate relaxation in your garden or yard with VINGLI's 800 pounds wicker porch swing. This 4-foot hanging bench can accommodate up to 2 people with its high weight capacity, while the upgraded loop lock chains enhance safety and tilt angle adjustments. The swing comes with extra soft sponge cushions that are both comfortable and easy to clean. Made with all-weather PE material, this swing can withstand any weather condition. Unlike other swings made from metal or wood, the cushioned seat adds extra comfort to your leisure time. Invite a friend or family member and enjoy the outdoors with this stylish and comfortable porch swing. Number 6. Fortune Candy 2-seater wooden porch swing. Experience ultimate relaxation with this 2-seater wooden porch swing by Fortune Candy. The rollback design, extended backrest, and seat contours perfectly to your body, providing more comfort than small-sized products. Made by experienced and mature craftsmanship, this swing is made from dried fir wood, with extra thick slats and no sharp edges. The cedar tone PU wood paint finish on all sides offers complete protection. With a weight capacity of 800 pounds, this swing is perfect for 2 adults to sit intimately, and the armrests and cup holders add convenience. Assembly is effortless with the included tools and user manual, and the package includes 2 quality hanging hooks. The sky and ground cover box is easy to open, and the components are well protected. With fast shipping from 3 warehouses in California, Georgia, and Jersey, orders in most regions can be delivered within a week. Number 7. Umacs Heavy-Duty 800lb Rollback 4.5 feet Outdoor Porch Swing. The Umacs Heavy-Duty 800lb Rollback Porch Swing is made of upgraded pine wood with well-coated surface that is rot-resistant and highly resistant to natural decay. Its ergonomic design contours to your body and features two side cup holders for unobstructed use of the armrests. The swing is spacious with a weight capacity of 800 pounds and comes with easy assembly instructions.